brother right now? Bro, tell me, what did Jesus just do? What are you
He
experiencing?
lifted me up. I feel lighter. And then I think my troubles also came down. No? I've been thinking my word every day. But the way you pray for me, Jesus really, I feel lighter. You know what? At least, yeah, my worries are gone. Whatever it is,
It's Holy Spirit.
yeah, man.
And you never experienced anything like that before.
You know what? I've been thinking with you that, but still I keep on, thinking my word, what I need to do, whatever it is, what will make it peace of mind. But